In today's video, I'm going to talk about why your high-paying job is keeping you broke, okay? Now, I know that might not make any sense, but hear me out, right? Now, if you are working a 9 to 5 job, and let's even say you have a high-paying job, right? Without realizing, this high-paying job of yours is literally keeping you broke, okay? And I'm going to explain why in this video and why you should actually look to start an online business instead, because not only will it make you more money, but you'll have more freedom and it will actually make you rich rather than keep you broke, okay? Now, just before I continue the video, just so you guys know who I am, if you're new watching this, my name is Alim and I quit my 9 to 5 job back in the UK. I used to work several 9 to 5 jobs in many different places, and I decided I'm going to take the biggest risk of my life. I quit my 9 to 5 job, I packed my bags, and I moved to Dubai. And I started my own 6-figure online coaching business here in Dubai, which has completely changed my life, has given me ultimate freedom, and has allowed me to live a completely different life, okay? And all of this literally stemmed by taking the biggest risk and starting an online business. Now, I will talk more about starting an online business later on in the video. But just before I do that, I want you guys to understand, right? Your high-paying job is keeping you broke, okay? Now, high-paying job could literally be anything over, I don't know, 60, 70 grand a year. And if you're making 60, 70 grand a year or even higher than that, what you guys don't realize is that this job is going to keep you broke. And the reason why, you guys think that making 60, 70, 80, even 100 grand a year, especially if you're in the UK, right? If you're watching this in the UK, what you guys don't realize is inflation is always going to beat your salary, okay? So no matter how much money you think you're making or how much money you might get as a raise or how much money you might get in terms of your salary increase, inflation's always going to basically beat it, right? And what's going to happen is inflation keeps going up and up and up, and your salary slowly goes up, right? So inflation is always going to beat your salary. It's always going to increase faster than your salary. This is why you can't buy houses nowadays, right? A lot of people don't have enough money to buy a house. Whereas back in the day, if you're on a high paying job, you could literally buy a house much, much easier than you can in today's day and age, right? So with inflation going up and up and up, what that basically means is that if you're in a high paying job, remember, there's only so much you can earn in a 9 to 5 job. There's only so much money you can make. And what will happen is you might hit like a really high ceiling. I don't know what that might be, but let's say as an example, 100 grand a year for most people might just be the most they'll make, right? Now 100 grand a year, especially in the UK, after your tax, your national insurance, maybe student loan, you're going to be left with about 5 grand a month. Now 5 grand a month isn't a lot of money. Now for a lot of you guys it might be, but listen, hear me out. If you start an online business, right, and you live in Dubai, and this is one of the key factors. Firstly, the online business will allow you to live in Dubai. That's a whole different story. But you start an online business, you can live somewhere like Dubai. Now, I can choose to make, for example, 100k a year. I don't make 100k a year, I make a lot more. But let's go with the example. I make 100 grand a year, right? Now, with an online business, I make 100 grand a year, which basically means I make around 8,333 a month. And what happens is I get to keep 8,333 pounds, right? Not only that, if I make 8,333 pounds with my online business, I also get freedom. That's something you don't get in a 9 to 5 job. In a 9 to 5 job, you have to go in when the boss tells you to go in. You have to clock in at a certain time. You have to clock out at a certain time. You are basically a slave in a sense, right? And you are working hours and hours and hours. You don't get to see your family. You don't get to spend time with a lot of people. You have to be at work. You are slaving away, especially if you're on a higher salary. Most times you will be working harder. You'll be working in, more difficult jobs or more intense jobs. And what's going to happen is you're going to make all that money, cool, but you're working 40 hours a week, maybe even more, right? Now, with an online business, yes, to be honest, in the beginning especially, you will be putting in more hours. But to make 100 grand a year in an online business, you don't need to work 40 hours a week. There are people working about, I would say, 5 to 10 hours a week, right? And they're making 10 grand a month, which means they're making more than 100 grand a year. And with that in mind, 10 hours, let's say 10 hours a week, that's 40 hours a month. A lot of you guys are working 40 hours a week. People are starting an online business, working 40 hours a month and making more money than you. And that should scare you. That should make you think about everything, because you're like, how come he can make more money working less hours and having freedom and get to work wherever he wants and get to move to a place like Dubai, and he's making 10 grand a month while I'm technically making a similar amount to him, but I'm earning like 5 grand or 6 grand a month, right? And it's crazy when you think of it from that perspective, because you are literally choosing the hard route. Why are you going to do a 9 to 5 job, right? It might look easy on paper in the sense that you can work a 9 to 5 job, then you can just slowly grow up and you can slowly work your way up within a company. But why are you going to do the hard way when you can literally start an online business today and make money, right? Now, just a quick one. If you guys do need any help with starting an online business that can actually change your life, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month within 3 months of my program, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and explain exactly how this business model works and how it can actually make you money, right? Now, the business model that I do, which is a coaching program, I help people build business, right? And the way I help people do that is by leveraging their knowledge and skills to high ticket clients. Because what people don't realize is that they have a skill or they have some sort of knowledge that they can sell to other people, right? So for example, there's a woman here in Dubai teaching people how to knit. She makes just under 20 grand a month, right? There's a person teaching people how to stop drinking alcohol. He makes around 80 grand a month. And there's another person that teaches people how to get a six-pack. He makes around 160 grand a month, which is unreal. When you look at all these numbers, right, it might sound completely unreal because a lot of these people are making 6 figures a month rather than six figures a year, right? And 6 figures a year is nothing when you understand today's day and age inflation, right? And not only that, 6 figures a year isn't really a lot, right? But the thing is, a lot of you guys can start an online business, make 6 figures a year. Okay, it's not a lot of money, but at least you get a chance to scale it. At least you have something that you can actually make more money from rather than working a 9 to 5 job, having to kiss ass, which generally happens with your higher ups to try and get a higher position, right? And I've been there. When I used to work at Sky, I've seen this a lot, where people used to kiss ass with the higher up managers just so they could get a promotion or just so they can be liked, you know, so if a promotion did ever come across, you know, they'll think of them instead of anyone else. But I don't have to do that, right? If I want to make more money, I just have to do a little bit more things and I will literally make more money. It's as simple as that. It's not even that difficult for me to make more money at this point, right? And when you start an online business and you get it to a stage where it's stable and you can get more money in, you get more clients in, you can literally make as much money as you want. And it might sound crazy to a lot of people, but it is the case. I can send out an email today and make some money. I can send out a message today and make some money. I can literally create more content, make some money. Whereas when you work a 9 to 5 job, there isn't anything you could do to move the lever unless you kiss ass or slowly try and get a promotion, right? And a promotion doesn't even give you that much more money. It is a pain. You only get maybe a few grand extra a year, which is in hindsight not a lot of money because when you work out your monthlies, it doesn't increase that much. Not only that, right? Inflation's winning every single time. So the only way you're going to actually beat inflation, the only way you're going to actually get far in life is by starting an online business. And you know what the crazy thing is? A lot of you people in a high paying job have skills. You have a knowledge that you can sell to high ticket clients. Like you can literally sell your skills for like 4, 5, 6 grand, right? And if you sell, let's say you charge 5 grand, right? You need 2 clients a month to make 10 grand a month. And if you really and truly understand, it's not that difficult to get clients. If you have a skill that is worth paying for, and to be honest, every skill works in my opinion, because if there is a woman teaching people how to knit, any skill will work, right? And she's making 20 grand a month, which just shows you how powerful it is. So you guys will have a skill. You guys will have some knowledge that you can sell to other people, and you sell it on the form of transformation. So the person teaching people how to knit, I mean, she's targeting people that are a little bit older who want to knit but also want to make friends. So they have like an online community that they can join, and then they can knit with other people basically, right? And then they make friends. It's kind of like an outing for them, and they also learn how to knit, which is crazy. So you guys have to find a skill or some knowledge that you can sell to high ticket clients because you will literally make a lot of money doing so, right? Now, this is why a coaching business is the best route. There are so many other business models, right? Drop shipping, affiliate marketing, YouTube content creation. By the way, I've done all of these guys, right? Before I started a coaching program, I did affiliate marketing. I did YouTube full time. I did drop shipping. None of those business models actually got me anywhere where I wanted to be, right? Some of them made me good money a little bit, but I couldn't really scale it. And that's when I decided, you know, I'm going to go all in on a coaching business because I've worked on a little bit before, but at the same time, I've seen the potential in this business, right? There are people making multi six figures a month, right? And it isn't that difficult. When you understand the game, it's not that difficult. And that's why you should hire a coach. You should hire someone to teach you how to do this. So again, just a quick one. If you do need any help with starting your own online coaching business, which I will help you on a one-to-one basis, scale you to 10K a month within 3 months of my program, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me. I'll jump on a call and see exactly how I can help you. Now, guys, you don't want to be working a high-paying job, right? Because a high-paying job in most ways will keep you stuck, will keep you more broke, because there's only so much money you can earn. And in hindsight, you might look like you're doing better than a lot of people, but ultimately you're not making that much money, right? It is not a lot of money because inflation is going to keep winning. The only way you're going to actually win is if you start an online business, which will, one, give you freedom, right? So you can spend more time with your family, spend more time with people that you love, and just have more time. Because at the end of the day, guys, your time is valuable, right? Why are you going to spend all your time in a 9-to-5 job, working for someone else, making someone else rich, when you can literally work for yourself and make even more money? Like, I don't understand. And not only that, freedom is one of the biggest things, right? You don't want to be stuck in a job for the rest of your life. You want to make as much money as possible, right? If you guys care about your family, if you guys care about your loved ones, your ultimate goal in life should be to make as much money as possible. And you know for a fact you're not going to become rich from a 9-to-5 job. There is no way you're going to become rich from a 9-to-5 job. You might make a lot more money than most people just working, a low-paying salary, but you're not going to get rich from it. And this is why you have to start a business. Now, some argue maybe a physical business might work best for them. Look, at the end of the day, I'm not a person that believes in physical business, especially in 2026, right? It's better than a 9-to-5 job 100%, but especially if you're a beginner, right? You want to work on an online business because it goes back to the point I made earlier. You want freedom, you want to have more time to yourself. That's one of the best ways. And also there's less capital invest as well. So you don't have to invest that much money compared to like a physical business where you would have to get like a shop, you'd have to rent it out, have to get staff, all of that kind of stuff, right? This business that I'm talking about is basically a one-man business where you can scale to 6 figures a year and literally grow from there. And you can start hiring later on to make it 6 figures a month, so on and so forth. So ultimately, this is why I chose an online business. This is why I did what I did. And this is why I moved to Dubai. Now, yes, I moved to Dubai because I don't have to pay tax. Yes, I moved to Dubai because the weather's amazing. Yes, I moved to Dubai because I have ultimate freedom here and I get to do whatever it is that I want. And that was all possible because of an online business. Now, I've tried to get a job here. It didn't work. And that was initially when I didn't start an online business, right? But when I started an online business and I worked hard on it and that made me more money than my jobs ever would have, I realized something, that a job is literally just like our default setting. Like, people think, oh, I need to get a job. It's just a default setting. Start a business because that's uncomfortable, that's difficult, but that's going to give you the biggest reward, right? And that's literally why I did it. And that's like, my life is completely different to most people in a high paying job. The thing is, I have freedom as well on top of that. So I get to live my life in a much better way. Like, my life with freedom involved is 10 times better, 100 times, in fact, 1,000 times better than anyone working a high paying job, right? Because I don't have a boss. I can take a day off whenever I want. I can do whatever it is that I want, but someone working a high paying job can't do that, right? So ultimately, I just want to leave you guys with this message that if you're working a high paying job, it's keeping you broke without you realizing. You need to start an online business if you genuinely want to change your life and change the lives of people around you as well. Because remember, when you start an online business, not only do you change your life, but you also change the lives of people around you. So that's why you should start an online business. And if you don't know how to start one and you don't know what business model to go through, definitely recommend starting a coaching business. And if you do need any help with starting your own coaching business, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and I'll be happy to jump on a call and see exactly how I can help you. And if you guys want to see a full breakdown on this business model, click the video that you see in front of your screen and I'll see you guys there.